You know what? Can you please call your boss and tell him that he must bring the van, take all the stuff. You no longer want to be here. Call him right now.
Don't fight with you anymore.
Okay, call him right now.
Maybe let's do it this way. No one's going to fight with you, right?
Yeah, me too, I don't want to fight.
No, relax, Pat. I'm still talking, we're not singing. So, tomorrow, he's going to come with the police and Home Affairs. And I request you with your boss and the municipality to go and check if these things are proper, these are not innocent votes.
I will tell you when the boss is no problem.
No, don't worry. Don't be hasty.
Okay.
So, but the truth of the matter is that there's a big problem in the country, right? And one of the problems is people are abusing refugee statuses and asylum seeker statuses. And that is what we want to check. Because what these people want is for all these tuck shops to be run by South Africans. Okay? And they will be going to court, they will be fighting with the government. They're not fighting with you. What they are asking you to do is to go back home. Right? So, what South Africans want, so that we share this thing because we are not fighting, they don't want even a single one of you to run tuck shops in South Africa because that belongs to them. So the person who's renting this thing to you, they are engaging with him, right? You want your boss, so your boss is here in South Africa.
Yeah.
Who's your boss?
He's staying in hell.
Did you hear my question?
Yes, I do.
So don't answer the question I did not ask. Who's your boss?
He's not here right now. He's staying in
Why
hell.
if you answer your own questions? Who's your boss?
His name is Temeska.
Who?
His name is Temeska.
Temeska.
Yeah.
So how did you get to South Africa? How did you get to South Africa?
I'm going to ask you even yourself when
No, but she's asking you
Then
how
how did you get to South Africa?
I mean, a refugee.
No, how did you get to South Africa? I'm not asking if you're a refugee or not. Let's say you're a refugee, but how did you arrive in South Africa?
I just came with a
bus, train.
How did you arrive?
like with a pass.
No, I'm not talking about a pass. I'm talking about your mode of transport. Did you run to the border? Did you fly to the did you jump? Did you swim? How did you get here?
With a pass.
You came with that?
With a pass.
With the bus. Where was the bus from?
I came from Ethiopia.
Okay, so the bus was coming from Ethiopia.
Yeah.
But how did you pass all those other countries before you came here without a
You know what it is? I'm saying it's in the 10 years here.
No. I'm saying I don't care how many years. I'm not asking about years.
But
I'm
there's
not
no
asking
conflict
about
now.
years.
There's no
No.
conflict now.
Wait, I'm asking. If you're saying to me you came here from Ethiopia all the way to South Africa by bus, how did you pass all those other countries to come here? Because they wouldn't let you through their borders without documents. It's not like South Africa. How did you pass those countries?
It's been a long time. They take a long time, but
You're
they
not
came.
answering me. I'm not asking you about the time. I'm asking you about the how. How did you come to South Africa? As a refugee, so there's a war, right? Or whatever it is that you're running away from. You run, you go take a bus, you have no documents. You pass all those countries to South Africa to open a tuck shop. I'm saying to
No,
you.
I'm not opening the
Okay, fine. Yes, fine. Whatever it is that you're doing. I'm saying, how did you pass all those other countries' borders without documents?
I just came with the paper. Like
What paper?
Did you have a
with the
passport?
pass.
There's no way other countries will let you into their country without papers. There's no way.
It's me, I came like that.
No, you're not telling the truth. And you know you're lying. You are lying because you can't come from Ethiopia by bus, pass all those other borders and all those other countries without papers. You can't be passing all those countries and claiming to be a refugee in South Africa. That's not possible. How did you come to South Africa? Just tell the truth. You guys, you go in these transports or you flew and got off in Zimbabwe. When you got to Zimbabwe, you come here and you claim you're a refugee. You know you're not a refugee. What are you running away from? What conflict?
They got a war.
A Kugwar.
War.
10 years ago. 10 years ago.
Yeah, before 10. I came with 10 years.
Is it still going on now?
Yes, even if
Yeah, there's no Kugwari. There's no Kugwari.
I'm talking about at
Okay, fine. Even if there's a war, but we don't want you to run it in South Africa, okay?
I respect.
And we are going.
But do you know why? Do you see that guy that passed away down the road and was shot? He came and did exactly what we're doing. He made someone shut down his tuck shop. By the time he got home, no, you can't say you don't do like that, because it's your brothers and sisters that come here. You open these tuck shops and you think it's your little mansions that you must build here and start killing people for it. It's not the first time we're going through something like this. There's people who are dying. No, but there's people who are dying because you guys want to run these tuck shops by force. If we came into your house and started wanting to live in your house by force, would that be okay?
No, I will respect.
No, yes, respect.
So
Yes,
let's
respect.
agree on one thing.
Respect.
South Africans are very clear. They
Respect.
want their town.
We can't be having
economy
people
back,
dying
okay?
because you guys
So
want
you
to run
guys
tuck shops.
are going to do the honorable thing. Ours is to fight with government. We'll take them to court. We'll change our laws to ensure that you go. But in the meantime, do you mind just doing the honorable thing? Your brothers have killed over 3 of our people, and they're still killing our people because you refuse to give this economy to our people, right? So let's do it peacefully. No one must be injured. Don't kill our people. Just leave this economy to the people that must run it, okay? Peacefully and within the law, okay?
Respect.
2, you know these things you're selling here have killed so many young people. Kids are dying in this country because you sleep here. Where do you sleep? And how much do you pay for rental? You pay for both.
Yes.
How do you know
Pay.
because you don't own
No,
this thing?
my
Your
boss
boss,
is
you
gonna
said
pay, yeah, you're gonna pay.
Yeah, but how do you know because it's your boss that is paying?
You can ask him.
So are you a boss or an employee? Which one?
No. I'm not a boss. I just wait for the boss.
See,
I know, but you're gonna get paid for end of the
so you're gonna leave, right?
Okay.
And tell your boss that
Okay,
you
I
will
will
come
tell.
back with the police and home affairs.
Okay.
But you must leave.
Okay.
Sure.